how to convert steps to Sweatcoin. As you can see right here, I have 2700 steps, but I have 0 Sweatcoin. Well, if you scroll down a little bit, you'll see this ready to start earning. Will start tracking your steps and converting them to Sweatcoin after you update 3 settings. So this is probably the case for you as well. We need to update these settings. So click on it, then right here, manage battery settings, open battery settings, battery saver, and you can just go back. Have you updated the setting? You can click on yes. Now enable auto start, click on update. Again, you just have to open it up, and then if you go back, it will ask you and you will select yes again and lock Sweatcoin as recent. Again, update, and it will give you the instructions here. Go to your recent apps, press the square in the bottom navigation or swipe up from the bottom, long tap on the Sweatcoin app and tap the lock icon. So we're just gonna go and do that. So press on it, app info, and where was it? Just give me a second. Alright, so here's how you do it on Android. You can look up how to lock an app on iPhone if you are an iPhone user. So you gotta search for lock app, or sorry, app lock. Like so. You will get these settings. You need to set up a lock for your apps. So then right here you will search for Sweatcoin, and as you can see, I have turned it on. It's blue. And now if we go back to Sweatcoin, then this should work for us. So as you can see, have you updated the setting? Yes. And then we've converted everything. You're all set. Close settings. And now we are ready to earn Sweatcoin. And this is the pop-up you get. You've successfully enabled your settings. We will remove this card from the app now. And basically now you will be able to earn Sweatcoin by walking. So just reset the app and you're good to go. So I hope this helps. Don't forget to like and sub, and I'll see you next time.